I've got this now. It's in the bag,
You
surely.
reckon? You
Surely.
reckon? I'm coming back.
Oh, okay.
Now between me and you, Mike wasn't supposed to have any favourites. All the anglers out here are his guests and customers, but right now it looked a lot like he was teaching Jimmy to fly fish for Arapaima, leaving me to sit back and watch the inevitable calamity. You're going to take cover?
I'm taking cover. It's exactly what I'm doing. Safety first. She's obviously seen James cast before.
Oh yeah, that one was massive.